Hello and welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content that you like, please make sure you subscribe and like the video. So as you can see from the thumbnail, we've bought another project from COPART. Was it going to be? Yeah, that's right. I've bought another Fiat 500. This time it's a 1.2 Lounge in Azuri Blue. I think I've pronounced that right. And as you can see, guys, with the Lounge, you have all the nice bits like the alloys, the sunroof, the little chrome trims all on around the car. So I'm really happy with this. Here's a little clip that my wife recorded for me from the bedroom window as it was being delivered. As you can see, the recovery truck driver has the car suspended on the winch. And if you just watch where the arrow is now, as I'm pushing the car down the ramp, the winch wasn't even in tidy, and the car just rolls swiftly down the ramp onto the road. It's a good job they was there to catch the car, otherwise we would have had a rear impact as well. Now we get to the damage. As you can see, it's had a little bit of an impact on the driver's front. Nothing too major. It split the bumper a little bit, and we'll get into the damage in a little bit. But as you can see, engine bay is very dirty. I can't wait to get my hands on it and clean it out. There will be a separate video for that. And there's a little Mr. Love 500 tip. Sticker come off easily, so hopefully, fingers crossed, the cam belt has been changed, but I will be taking the cover off just to make sure. As you can see, guys, lovely and straight down the driver's side. What do you think of this colour? When I first had it, I was thinking, oh, I don't know, but it's growing on me. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Right, let's remove the bumper, and just to see if we got any hidden damage. As you can see, front bumper has been cable tied on, so I had to use a knife. I couldn't find my scissors or my pliers. They'd gone walkabouts. So as you see, two cable ties, the bumper comes off. Somebody's taken their time to take all the screws out, which is rare. All the screws was in the car, right in the boot when I found them, which thank you for that. Now with the front bumper off, I'm assessing the damage. I did notice that the washer jet bottle on the motor, the plastic thing that holds the hose on, had snapped, which is unfortunate, but I've already sourced and got one of them. As you can see, the lower crash bars had a little bit of a whack. I don't think it's damaged the AC rad, but I will be checking, and if it's his broke and it does need replacing, I will be sure to order one and replace it straight away. Then obviously we'll have to have it regassed. And now we're moving on to the inside. As you can see, the armrest is very dirty, as well as the whole car really. It needs a good clean, but that's something that's coming very soon to the channel. As we do with every project car, we check if we get a free CD. Unfortunately, this time, we're out of luck. So we just check the under compartment on the passenger side. Unfortunately, there's nothing there, but there is something in the glove box. I was getting all excited at this point, thinking, oh, service book, lovely. No. There was every other book in there, for the CD player, for the car, this, that and the other. Even directions to something, but no service book. Oh, what's that we spy in the glove box? A rare piece that don't normally come with these salvage cars. The locking wheel nut. Happy days. That saves me $24.99 anyway, doesn't it? As you can see, I'm still finding more and more paperwork. Just everything else bar the service book. So as you can see, I'm just going around the car checking things work, checking the electric windows, checking there's no cracks in the sunroof. Like I said, this is a 1.2 lounge, so it's got all the nice bits like the sunroof, electric windows, electric mirrors, this handy little light, which didn't come on my last pop, steering wheel controls, and all the tidy chrome bits in and around the car. And these seats, very, very dirty. I don't know what have happened to this front one. There's a nice big brown stain there. I'm not saying anything, but this car is dirty, and there will be a full detail coming very soon. I don't know what that thing is there, but somebody obviously likes McCoy's crisps. And the steering wheel, I think it was done by one of the lads at COPART, or maybe even the recovery driver. There's a nice handprint there, and there's a nice handprint that he's left me on my roof lining. So thanks for that. And as you've seen, the mileage, 60,000 miles, which is nothing for one of these cars. So here we go with a little repair. I had this bumper delivered the morning of. I bought it from Part Busters on eBay with recommendations from Mr. Love 500, so thank you for that. So as you can see from this little bit of footage and the pictures that's following, the bumper fits absolutely perfect. The body lines are really, really good. As you can see now, guys, we're back on the driver's front wheel. As you can see, it's just poking out compared to the passenger side one. The passenger side is straight, this one is slightly off. Obviously where the impact has happened, it's knocked something out, whether it's a drive shaft or a drop link, wishbone, or in or out the rack ends. But obviously I'm waiting on good weather to get under there and investigate. But in the meantime, if you have any suggestions or ideas, please feel free to drop a comment below. As you can see, there's a little scrape on the driver's wheel just at the top. Going around the car is really, really good. There's no deep scratches, no dings, no dents, nothing. Like I said, it's just that driver's front wheel. Around the back, it's nothing. Really, really happy with this car, and for what it owes me, it was an absolute steal. So here's a few more photos for you, just to show you the driver's wheel compared to the passenger's wheel. As you can see, it's sticking out a little bit. And guys, thank you for watching. If this is the sort of content you like, please subscribe. Really helps me out a lot. And thanks. I'll see you on the next one.